Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over how to cancel a trip. So once you're inside of the trip, you're going to be on the overview page, and it's going to show you the total up here and the total amount paid. So if we're going to cancel this order, we're going to go ahead and refund the order back to the customer. So first, we need a refund, and then we can cancel. So if we come to the Payments tab, and you'll see the cash payment here. We'll go ahead and select this little backwards arrow. That's the refund payment. It's going to ask us how much we want to refund. We're going to go ahead and refund them the total amount today. Click OK. Now, that refunded them the total amount of the order. So that's the total and then the paid amount. So we've refunded them back all of their money. Now we're going to go ahead and cancel the order. So in order to cancel the order, we'll click up here to set the status. We'll go ahead and set the status to canceled. It's going to give you another screen. So it's going to be reasoning. For this, we're just going to put weather. Now, we're not charging them a fee today because it's weather related, so no fee will be applied. But if you do have a cancellation fee, make sure that you deduct that from the amount that you refund the customer back and then apply that fee in this box. Now, we're not going to go ahead and send cancellation texts or emails today, but you can select those to go ahead and send those out to the customer. Now, you have to confirm that it has already been refunded prior to canceling the order. Now, once you hit save, that's going to cancel the order and open the availability back up for that day and time.